What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey, people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright guys, we're only going to be using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets because most people who are just starting will only use one account. Now some people get like multiple accounts, 3, 5, 7, even 10 accounts, but we just starting, so I'm just showing you what you can do with just one account, one start. Very simple process. Alright guys. Now, if you're interested in following along, the links are in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business generally. And the main reason because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income, guys. You get 80% of every sale that you get. So for example, if you were to click on the link in the description below and purchase the $25 business, right? I would then get $20 of that, $25. And then if you were to stay in the $25 business, I will also get another $20 of it. So yeah, you can easily build up your income with this program. And even with minimum effort, I'm still making a ton of money, extra money with it. So I say guys, get into it, go do it. It's a good idea. All right, so anyway, let's look at our results here. We're going to refresh the page to show results. Don't believe results if the page ain't being refreshed. Alright guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Now if you remember yesterday, this isn't a sale, this is a rebuild. Check. We made sure it was a rebuild, so we didn't get a sale yesterday. I got this early morning yesterday, and if you don't know, I make these videos around 5 o'clock in the morning, so I got this early morning yesterday and talked about it. But it was a rebuild. I checked, so so I did not get a sale, so which is totally fine. I'm making a ton of money. I'm making a ton of extra money anyway, so it's not a big deal. So anyway guys, let's say okay, you're interested in checking this out, doing what I'm doing to make these sales and stuff. I'm going to explain exactly what you need to do. Okay guys, now the first thing you want to do is go into the description, right? And you go scroll down to this video, go to the description of this video, scroll down, you're going to see step 1, and you're going to see step 2. Now you need to click on step 1. Now when you click on step 1, it'll take you to this page here. You get to this page, this is the page for the all-in-one $25 business. It just talks about how much money you can make, what it is, all that stuff, right? Now once you decide that, right, say you want to try this out, you click on one of these green buttons. They're all over the page. You know, you just click on one of them, right? Click on one of them and it should take you to a video that looks like this. Now what this video is gonna do, it's just gonna explain to you what you're purchasing, so you won't be tricked. You'll fully understand what you're doing. You know what I mean? And it's something that you're required to watch. But once you get through this video here, you should get to a page that looks like this. Now, when you get to this page, you can put in your information and purchase the products, the $25 business or whatever. Right? Now, one more thing I want to include in this. Now, this right here is. This is another product called HBA Premium, which it includes training for, you know, ads and stuff and all that, how to get traffic, how to get sales, all that good stuff. All right. Now this product here is going to be $125 a month, right? Now you can get it for free if you use my link in the description. You can get it for free for 14 days. Now I advise you do this. All right, guys, I advise you do this because here's how this works. You have to have the product to get a sale for the product. So for example, if you were to you know, purchase the $25 business without getting this right here, and then you were to get somebody in the system and they got the $25 business and they got this, now that $125, that $100 would skip you. You wouldn't get that. They'll go to the company. I wouldn't get it either, by the way. They'll go to the company. And yeah, so make sure you have these products if you want to get commissions for them. There's one more product as well. It's called Financial Literacy Assistance. It has a bunch of information on taxes and stuff like that. It's $500. All right, guys, $500 for the first 3 days, and then after the first 3 days, it goes up to $1,000. With that's its actual price. It's $1,000, but it's $500 for the first 3 days. If you can afford it, I recommend you get it right away. If you can't afford it, don't worry about it, because the same thing, you have to own the product in order to get sales off of it and make money off of it. All right, guys. So the deal, the $500, go knock that out. You won't have to worry about it ever again. You won't have to worry about that $1,000. But I will get commissions depending on what your decision is. So, for example, if you were to purchase it for $500, I would get $400 of those $500. If you were to purchase it at $1,000, I'll get $800 of that. So there's a high ticket product in this as well. I just want to make sure I clarify that as well. So anyway, once you're done with that, guys, you will go to a page that looks something like this. All right. Get to this page that looks something like this. Now, this is the part I'm talking about. You'll get to a page with the top like this. It's the Home Business Academy. And there go Financial Literacy Assistance, Academy, like I was talking about. Now you want to click on Affiliate Zone. Once you click on the Affiliate Zone, you should get to this page here that say sign in for your affiliate program here. And once you click on this sign up for affiliate program here, it should have a little video, a little thing. You sign in. Very, very simple process. Then once you do that, you can log into your SAM card. Once you log in SAM card, you'll get to a page that looks something like this, guys, where we started it. Now, you won't have any money in this, but this is where your money will show and all that good stuff, right? So we're gonna go down to the links here. That's where you get all your links. And this is the link that we're gonna be using, the all-in-one $25 business. This is the link that you wanna try here, guys. Once you do that, you're done with step one. You have your link to promote. All right, guys. So the next thing you need to do is go to step 2 in the description and click on that link for My Lead Gen Secrets. That's gonna take you to this page here. Now this page here, guys, he's just explaining what My Lead Gen Secrets is. Long story short, you get 100 leads every single day. Now understand something. These leads are cold leads. These are cold leads. They don't know who you are or anything like that. But the thing is, they are interested in making money. They are interested in making money, but that's all. So you have to constantly email them to get them understanding you. All right. So that's what you're gonna do. So you go ahead and make your account, sign in. Very simple process. I'm gonna log into my account here real quick. Once you log into the account, you'll have your leads. You'll have your lead list. I won't click on it because it'll start showing my leads here. And you got your email swipes and stuff like that, which I won't show, guys. Personally, I wouldn't purchase this. You can buy master email swipes if you want to. I wouldn't purchase this because I show you a ton of emails that you can use. So I wouldn't purchase it. Even though I would get a commission from you purchasing it, I recommend not because I'm giving it to you for free. And also, if you have the HBA Premium, you have access to the content machine. You just ask that for emails. So you got plenty of ways to get emails no matter what. So what you want to click on is mailing system. Then select all your leads here, guys. Once you select all your leads, you want to go to I'm just going to collect one of my emails that are already written, that are already in the system. Now you guys can just copy this email that I'm going to use here. But once they in the system, you can just load them up and keep them going and keep going. And it only take you about a minute a day to get this going. This is the absolute laziest way to make money online, guys. It's not even close. So, all right, so you do that. Let me get my next. Okay, this is the one. All right, so we're gonna use this email. Just copy that. Copy it, pause it, copy it real quick. Very short email, as you can see. Just pause it, copy it. Don't worry about it being so short. It doesn't matter. So it's a very short email. Now you hit perfect timing. What that does is send emails around the time that people get emails and stuff. So yeah, We're gonna knock this down a little bit. That's a little too high. Let's put it on. Let's put it on. Let's put 10 a month. Per month. There we go. We're gonna use that. So yeah, man, it's that simple. And you just send the email. Make sure your link works. The link works here. Mine works. But then send an email after that. That's it. So you're done. Finish everything you needed to do. And it only takes you about 10 minutes to do if you're following along with me. Don't take that long at all. And any day after that, you just copy the emails and post. That's all you have to do. But it took me so long to show you because I'm explaining everything while I'm doing it. Alright, so guys, that's all there is to it. Like I stated before, if you're interested, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.